And both JP Morgan and Wells Fargo think the price of XRP will reach $500. It is very important for people who are interested in XRP or who already have XRP tokens to keep up with the latest news. Find out about the latest XRP news and how it might affect the value of the coin. Answer these questions and give you important information. That could have a positive effect on XRP prices in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video. I must make sure you watch it all the way through so you don't miss any important information. To Coin Graph Market, welcome. This is where you can find the latest news in the crypto world every day. Make sure you subscribe to get the latest news and predictions and XRP and to stay ahead in the crypto world. Don't forget to click like and post notifications to get more crypto news. Before we get into our first topic, let's look at the chart and see how XRP actually did on January 25th. Now should we quickly turn to our daily 50 XRP giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hash XRP as came. Good luck! The price of XRP is 50 cents right now, and $756 million of it has been traded in 24 hours. The price of XRP has gone down 9 points in the last week, and 1.1 in the last 24 hours. There are 100 billion XRP coins in circulation, with 48 billion already in circulation. These prices may have changed by the time you watch this video. This is not financial advice, and investing in the crypto market is risky. So please do your own research before you do it. If you want to buy or sell XRP, Bitstamp, eToro, and GateHub are 3 high-traffic exchange sites. Let's not waste any more time and watch the video now. And the XRP lawsuit. Ripple fires back at SEC for misrepresenting facts. The XRP. Ripple writes a letter to Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn asking her to correct some facts that the US SEC made in its reply. And the latest development in the US securities and exchange commissions versus live. Ripple Labs lawsuit, which is about the motion to compel remedies-related discovery. Ripple asked the court for a surreply to correct a major factual error that the securities regulator made. The move was made after the SEC replied that they agreed with the motion to compel. The SEC wants Ripple's audited financial statements for the past 2 years. Contracts for the sale or transfer of XRP to non-employee counterparties made after the complaint. And information on how much money was made from institutional sales of XRP. Ripple's response to the SEC's false claims. As of late January 24th, court documents show that Ripple sent a letter to Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn to correct some false information in the SEC's response to its motion to compel. Randy Ripple also says that the court would mostly benefit from the leak because it will make the issues in dispute clearer, which will let the court make a decision based on accurate facts. In an exhibit attached to the surreply request, lawyers for the defendant Ripple Labs say that they disagree with many of the points made in the SEC's report. At this time, Ripple was only used to correct a big mistake in the SEC statement of fact. Ripple said that the SEC says Ripple doesn't argue that making contracts after a complaint would be too hard, which is not true. When Ripple filed its objection, it made it clear that the SEC's request is too onerous and would mean a whole new trial. XRP losing rumors are over, according to Ripple's TTO. Value shouldn't be able to go down. David Schwartz, TTO of Ripple, says that the automated market maker, rendered the XRP ledger, makes it almost impossible to lose XRP value. David Schwartz, the chief technology officer of Ripple, has reassured the XRP community by saying that losses should be almost impossible after the automated market maker. Mitocol is added to the XRP ledger by the recent amendment has 28 and the 35 votes it needs right now. This led to conversations in the community. Concerns about the chance of losing XRP led Schwartz to explain the MM's unique plan. Liquidity providers get tokens that are unique to the MM. The protocol tries to make sure that the value of these tokens only goes up over time, even when the market is volatile. Cons, on the other hand, the Ripple coup to acknowledge that there could be problems, even though the system is naturally stable. In theory, losses are kept to a minimum. Investors might not make as much money as they would if they had held on to the underlying assets when prices went up. Also, the MMEM doesn't promise a fixed yield, which leaves liquidity providers open to market risks. Schwartz talked about the benefits, focusing on the ability to turn risk into yield and limit losses when asset values drop. But he warned people about counterparty risk, which means having exposure to at least 2 assets, even stable ones like USD problems that could arise. In short, these statements are meant to reassure people who own XRP that the new technology is designed to keep their value from dropping. Now, there are still risks that come with the way markets work and the chance that problems will arise in the Miami implementation of the XRP ledger that were not expected. As the MBM vote goes on, the XRP community keeps a close eye on what's happening to make the trading environment stronger and safer. Please help the channel by giving this video a like and subscribing. Also, don't forget to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Let's watch the rest of the video right away. Wells Fargo's Treasury Management Officer Shannon Thorpe made an interesting price prediction for XRP in a recent statement. This forward-thinking executive thinks that the value of XR could rise quickly to anywhere from $100 to $500. More specifically, in the next 4 to 7 months, this price increase prediction is a huge 14,200 to 71,400 rise from what it is trading for now. Thorpe acknowledges the long-running debate in the XRP community about how to find the best model. One side only looks at Bitcoin's chart patterns and trends to make short-term price predictions. Another group, on the other hand, stresses how important XRP utility is. They are believing that the main things that will affect its price are its partnerships and the replacement of old systems. But Thorpe has a different point of view. It stresses that XRP is not a security, and that using traditional securities logic to predict prices goes against what the Ripple team had in mind from the start. Thorpe adds to a reasoning by saying that liquidity strength is an important factor to think about when figuring out how much XRP will be worth in the future. And to figure out a price range for the token, she looks at the total supply, which includes bird tokens, the tokens, circulating tokens, and tokens owned by banks, governments, and individuals. She also assumes that Ripple has released all of their XRP from escrow. Thorpe says that if one company had all 100 billion tokens, their liquidity strength, or LS, would be between $1 and $5. Pride would be between $100 billion and $500 billion. She says, though, that validation doesn't take into account the possible growth of the economy, the activities of messaging and settling, or the ongoing benefits of using XRP. Based on examples from real life, or compares the token's potential, that of Swift, which handles about 44.8 million messages every day. Even if Ripple could only get 30 of Swift's daily value, which she thinks is about $7 trillion, that'd be worth an amazing $2. 1 cent trillion every day, which is about 13.2 million messages for XRP. With an XRP quick settlement time of 1 to 5 seconds, there would be plenty of liquidity. Thorpe does, however, point out how hard it can be to do big transactions when liquidity is low, since it may require a lot of banks' XRP holdings. Thorpe makes her price prediction by looking at many things, including all global banks, fund XRP, individual holdings XRP given to big banks and creators, and tokens that can be bought and sold on liquidity hubs and exchanges. Based